What's up, nail crew? Let's do some sweater nails. So the first thing I did was I dipped my nails as usual through the first activator, then buffed and shaped. I applied gel base, fully cured that, and then applied matte top coat and fully cured that. I got a little nail art palette from JN Designs and I put builder gel on that to do my design. I tried it before a couple weeks ago with gel top coat, and let me tell you, it was not thick enough. I've seen that some people have done the sweater nails with the gel top coat, but I could not get it to work. So I went in with my nail art brush from OG Dip Powder. It's a nice, long, thin brush, and I started making lines along the sides of the middle of my nail. And instead of last time where I just went like straight down with a line in the middle, that didn't work, that design. As you can see, it's the line that I'm doing now. I tried doing that first and it wasn't working for me. As I'm going in making my design, I realized maybe I don't have enough gel on my nails. So I went back in and put a little bit more gel over top, or at least I tried to, of the designs that I was doing, then poured over the color that I wanted to use, and then cured that before I started making the rest of my design, just to make sure that the design I've already done didn't move at all. So then I went and I made the little side slots, put some more builder gel down because I felt like my little side slots weren't quite as thick as I would like them to. Then I finished the sides of my design, poured the powder over, and fully cured that part of my design. And then I realized that I want my design to pop more, my sweater nail. So I went over the entire sweater nail with builder gel again and fully cured that. And here you go. Here is my finished sweater nail. So if anyone has any questions, as always, drop them below. Thanks, nail crew.